This one I call Star Hearts because look, it's a classic quilting star, and we put a heart in the middle of it. Now look what happens when you do several of these together. They are quite stunning, don't you think? I think they're wonderful. I did this one with a fat quarter bundle, and if you've never used one, I highly suggest you look into this. This one is called the Creator Bundle, and it's from Art Gallery Fabrics. We sell this online and sell this in our store. A fat quarter bundle basically lets you use all of the fabrics included in a fabric collection without having to go and buy a whole yard of everything. This bundle happened to have 9 different prints in it, and I just chose my favorite colors out of it, 4 different ones to make these quilt blocks. So a fat quarter bundle, it is your friend. Now, what's required for this particular quilt block? You need, choose your color and choose your background. I chose white, and I chose, for the demo, we're going to use this teal color. So you need to cut some 3-inch squares. You need 5 of them in white and 5 of them of your print. Then you need to cut some 2.5-inch squares, 6 of those of your print, and then 1.5-inch squares, just 4 of those of the white. So this is where it gets a little bit interesting. I'm going to set these aside for now. Now, 5 solid squares, white and a color, we're going to marry those together like we normally do, you know? If we take this, fold it on top, draw a line down the center and stitch on both sides and cut it in half, that's just the basic formula for the half square triangles, right? So it ends up being 10 half square triangles. So that's what these are. And I'm just going to let them live here for a moment, because the next interesting part, I'll bring these pieces back. 4 of these solids, these 2.5-inch squares, they're going to make the corners of our quilt block. So I know those are already ready to go. I'll put those out of the way. We have to make the peaks on the heart. And it's really just 2 pieces here, but we've got to alter it to make it, give it a little bit of a curve, all right? So the remaining 2.5-inch prints that you have, you're going to take 2 of your tiny little white squares for each of them, and we are going to make the heart. I'm going to set this aside for a minute and show you one. You start by taking one of the small squares and place it in the upper left corner of your print, and draw a line across it diagonally and stitch on that line. Now what that looks like when you have done that is this, when you open that up. You see that? Now look, when I fold this down, you're going to see that I lopped off the corner. I kept 1/4 inch as a seam allowance, and then just pressed that open. So part 2 of this then, to finish making that little peak, is do it again. Take the other small white square, put it on the other top corner, draw a line, same thing, stitch on that line, and then open that up. So when you do that, you have this. That is the peak, because remember, here's our heart, and we have 2 peaks on it. So that is one of them. So just do that with your remaining 2, and you're going to have 2 nice little peaks. So these are the pieces that will make up this, all right? Now the easiest way to put this together is put your peaks together, because you know they make the heart. And I start with the half of the HSTs and first finish out the heart. That's easy, bringing the peak down. Then the next thing, all these 4 solids, they are the 4 corners. So I'm going to lay these out here. And then we're just filling in with all of these half square triangles. And yes, sometimes I look because I get confused over it and I go, uh-oh, I don't remember where that goes. I'm going to set this up here for you to see as well. As I lay these out like that and like that. And yeah, I am looking as I go, because it's like cheating, but you don't want to mess this up. And then the last 2 are here and here. So if you want to screenshot that, these are the elements right here and the order that they go together. And like any quilt block, we do these in 2s, right? 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, all the way down. Then we take the 2s together to make a 4. We make a 4, 4, 4. Put those together, and the whole thing sandwiches together, and it's done. Star hearts. Honestly, it's really pretty. I hope you will give it a try. I really do love this one. It was fun to make too. I hope you'll follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're also on TikTok and Instagram. I don't mention that enough, but we are. So I hope to see you there, and happy sewing.